That's good stuff. You know what makes this coffee so good? It's not only is it tasty, but it was given to me as a gift. Our very own Cameron Pisha from Washington sent me this coffee. Can't really see because the lighting's bad, but sent me this coffee in the mail. We've run 2 contests, membership contests here inside of the Major Look Facebook group, and for membership, people who would invite members, they'd get a gift. One was a microphone, same microphone that I'm wearing here, and the other one was a lighting kit, same lighting kit I think that I'm using now. And Cameron won the first one, and then his somebody from his office won the second one. So Cameron's like a permanent fixture on my Amazon account now, so as a shipping address. So he sent me that coffee. It's tasty. But that's not why you're watching this video. You're watching this video because it's Feedback Friday here inside of the Major Look Video Marketing Facebook group. For those of you who are noobs and rookies, Feedback Friday is a feature that we do each and every week on Friday here inside the group, where on Rewind, back on Monday, I put a link or a post in the group. I asked you to send a link or to put a link on that post of a video that you've done that you want feedback on, that you're looking for advice on, that you're just looking to get better at. You want to enhance your skills, your tools with tips and tactics when it comes to your video marketing for your small business. All I ask is for the link. I want to know where it was used, Facebook, YouTube, blog, wherever, how did you use it? And what were the results? And then we can kind of go from there and kind of craft it. My man James Castell from Sequum, is that how you say it? Sequum, Swami, Slammy, Slappy, Samsonite. My man James Castell from Sequum, that's what I'm going with, Washington, sent in a video that his insurance agency used to promote a free lunch giveaway. Now, the whole purpose of Feedback Friday is for you to post a link. I'm going to break down what I think went really, really well in the video, what I think was great, and then I'm also going to break down what I think could be improved on in the video, whether it's your distribution, your messaging, how you position yourself. I want to help you improve all the aspects, your production, all those things that go into making a quality small business video. I want to help provide opinions and feedback on, so that if you're watching it and you're wanting to redo it, or if you are saying, man, that was a really great idea for a video, I think I could do something similar, you can avoid certain, I don't want to call them mistakes, but you can avoid certain mistakes on your video, so that you are at a faster pace, you have a better foot forward than everybody else. Of course, this takes a lot of participation. I'm grateful and thankful that all of you guys who posted videos. The whole goal is not to just tear you down, but the whole goal is to really help everybody improve. So with that being said, let's get into James's video.
You guys, it finally happened. The moment of truth. It's what I've been waiting for my whole career. As an economics graduate from the University of Washington, I've been waiting my whole life to disprove a famous economist, and I made it happen.
There's no such thing as a free lunch. That's it. If you've got to restrict me to one piece of wisdom, that's a one piece of wisdom. There's no such thing as a free lunch. You pay for it.
And this past week, we proved him wrong. Castell Insurance was able to provide free lunch for their clients, their friends, and family during the Irrigation Festival Parade. So if you find yourself thinking, I'm not getting that from my insurance agency, you can talk to our clients, talk to your community members. We gave out free lunch, but that's not where we stopped. Great service, great prices, great personality. We're really community focused. So if you find yourself thinking, I never even talked to my insurance agent, or do I even have one? So whether you need help with your auto insurance, your home insurance, life, Medicare, Whatever it is, and you live in Washington, make sure to give us a call. We'd love to help you, and at the end of the day, come next May, we'd love to flip you a free burger. So check out all those happy people that we helped. Make sure to call or click on the information below and get a hold of us at Castell Insurance.
All right, that was awesome. Great job, James. So a couple things that I really liked about your particular video. I really liked, number one, the community focus of it. I think starting the video out by telling the story of why you're a benefit or why you're helping your community is always a fantastic story to tell. People like it, people engage with it. You've got a lot of people in the video. People are going to rewatch that video. They're going to share that video. They're going to engage with that video if they were there. Great job on just the purpose of the video. I think that was fantastic. I think your video production is really good. I'm not sure what your setup is, but you did a really great job lighting yourself. You look very well lit. You sound awesome. Everything is really good from a production standpoint. I think it's top notch. I don't think you can really improve on many areas there. I think the length of it overall was pretty good, was pretty solid. I think that you've gotten some pretty good engagement. I don't know who these 7 people are, but you've got 7 different shares on Facebook. It looks like your primary distribution platform was Facebook, and I'm not sure how you did your targeting or what you did to get people to see that, but it looks like it's doing fairly decent, fairly well. I mean, it's relatively new. You just posted it on May 18th, so I think all those things are really great. Now, here are some things that I would improve on, things that stood out to me instantly. Number one, well, let me back up. Earlier this week, I posted a video in the group talking about the 3 different ways that you've got to make sure you get more, or how to get more engagement on your videos. You've got to have a video that's clickable, you've got to have a video that's searchable, and you've got to have a video that's personable. You've got to have those things. I think you really hit on one aspect of it. It's personable. That's great, fantastic. But I think you really are missing the mark, especially on number 1. You don't have a video that's clickable. You don't have anything that's going to really stop me unless I'm from this area, unless I live around the corner, and maybe even then, probably not. You don't have anything that's going to make me click on it. You've got no headline, you've got no caption, you've got nothing that's directing me to watch the video. I think that's your first mistake. I think you really missed the opportunity here to get quality engagement by having a fantastic title. If I were giving this video a title, it might be something along the lines of, not necessarily, don't hold my feet to the fire on this, but just thinking out loud, it might be something more like, watch Castell Insurance disprove this famous economist, or Castell Insurance. I think you have a really good opportunity to create a little bit of a fun, controversial title, not provocative, but fun, controversy, where you are positioning yourself against Milton Friedman. Shout out to Milton Friedman, that dude's an OG, by the way. But I think you have a real opportunity here to get people to get engaged with it by positioning yourself strongly against it in a fun way. Castell Insurance. This is hard. This is the tough part. You gotta have a good caption. You gotta have a good title. Castell Insurance disproves. I don't like the word disproves. Watch Castell Insurance prove this famous economist wrong. Something along those lines. I think you get the idea. I think having that attention-getting headline up front is going to get a little bit more engagement, or help you get a little bit more engagement, along with a caption where you talk a little bit about it. No such thing as a free lunch. That's perfect right there. Boom. Castell Insurance. I'm getting it. Castell Insurance disproves. It requires a little bit more thought, but something along the lines of free lunch, Milton Friedman, position yourself against him in a fun, engaging way, I think can really help you out here. The other area that I wasn't too impressed with was the very end, was your call to action. I thought your call to action was a little weak. It's kind of one of those, well, if you know anybody who needs insurance, and if you happen to think about it, perhaps give us a call. Which, by the way, there's no instruction, there's no landing page, there's no website. At least in this video that I'm seeing, I don't know if you have it posted anywhere else, so forgive me. I didn't ask you beforehand. but there's no landing page, there's no phone number to call, there's nothing. If I wanted to call, how would I call? How would I get a hold of you? Would I message your Facebook page? Maybe, I guess. But giving people strong call to action, a strong next step that's easy for them to understand, easy for them to digest. I understand, we don't want to be too direct in our sales process, but sometimes at the very end, you have to be a little bit more direct. I mean, you're doing something great for your community, and I don't even mind the, hey, does your insurance agent do this for you type message. I think if you just go in there with a stronger call to action at the end of your video, maybe even shorten your video just a little bit, and then get right to the hook at the very end where you say, where you say something to the effect of, Castell Insurance is a strong player in our community, and we want to be a strong player for you and your family. Give us a call. Click on the link in this video. Something to that effect. Give people clear, decisive instructions and watch people take next steps going forward. I think you're really missing a strong call to action here. But again, production's great, lighting's great, but you don't have a caption, you don't have a way to direct them, you don't have a call to action. I think those things are going to help you get even more engagement, which is going to help your relevancy score, which is going to result in a lower cost per click, cost per lead, and ultimately cost per client. Thank you so much for participating in Feedback Friday. My name is Nicholas Ayers. Make sure you drop your video each and every week here in the group on Monday on the post asking for it, and we'll see you soon. You guys take care.